Maybe you should ask him to tell you the story of Caps for Sale.
Ooh, what happens in the book Caps for Sale?
No monkeys.
No monkeys? What does the man say? He says, Caps, 50.
Send for at.
And he looked at the monkeys and he said, you.
Monkeys, they want at.
And what did the monkey say? Oh, when the man got angry, and what did he say then? You
give me back my caps.
And the monkey said, oh, you spit all over me.
Jack, let him do it.
Let Brandon do it. Watch out.
Come on.
And the man said to the monkeys,
My dad.
what?
My dad.
And what did the monkey say? Oh, and he got so angry that then what happened?
Oh, they want at.
And then what did the monkeys do? And then he took his hat and he...
And down.
And what did the monkeys do? Caps?
That's it. So I'm down.
Caps?
So Ian.
Yeah, that's a good story.